Good morning, world. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. You know, I'm lying through my teeth. It's not Happy Sunday, is it? I've just woke up. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Now, I'd normally get up at 5 o'clock in the morning anyway on a working day. We've got something called the body clock, guys. You don't need an alarm clock. My body clock opens my eyes at the same time whether I'm working or not. How many of you guys get the same? I'm sure pretty much all of us get it. I just can't sleep after a certain time. It's like I have to get up, have my first cigarette. Something else, you know, I'm not really happy about is the fact I'm getting old. You know, I look in the mirror, I'm 59. I've got a grey beard, bald head. I've lost my boyish good looks. You get into a routine, everything hurts, my knees hurt, my elbow hurts. I was carrying plant pots yesterday, guys, and I've got this, I think they call it tenovitis or something, or they call it tennis elbow in the UK. I don't even play bloody tennis, but it's like it hurts, you know, when you straighten out. So I've got that in one arm at the moment. My left leg's been hurting for about a week. I can't do what I used to be able to do anymore, guys. As tough as I used to be. As tough as I think I am. I mean, look. I wore this for a fair few years. That was one of the toughest regiments in the British Army, guys. And I've been through it. Seriously been through it. But I look in the mirror now, and I'm the shadow of a man I used to be. I really am. So 5 o'clock in the morning, my eyes ping open. Ping open. The first thing I want to do is go to the toilet. You have that wee. Doesn't matter if you've had a load of Stella the night before or just a coffee. You need to wee. I mean, let's be honest, guys, and even ladies, does it get you the same? Middle of the night, you wake up, oh, I need to go to the toilet. You go back to bed. You go back to bed. Takes you a minute or two to get back to sleep. Not at 5 o'clock in the morning because your body clock kicks in, guys. Pisses me off. You think, you know what, I'll try again this morning, just to have that one extra hour. And what happens? Mrs. C, laid at the side of me, cuddled up to me, nice and warm, taking over my side of the bed. We've got a bloody big bed. But for some reason, I get about that much, and she gets everything else. So when I've gone to the toilet, guys, and I get back to that bed, she's moved my way a little bit. Do you know what it's like? Has any of you guys got dogs? You notice the dog likes to sleep on the bed. You'll understand exactly what I mean. So the dog sleeps at the side of you. You move over, the dog moves over. You move over, the dog moves over. And before you know it, you're right on the very edge of the bed and the dog's like this, stretched out at the side of you. Well, it's sort of the same with Mrs. C. She just hogs the bed. We call it hogging the bed in the UK. So yeah, you've been to the toilet, you get back to bed. You think, I'll have another hour. I'll just have another hour. But no. Oh no. Mrs. C's moved over and she starts to do little lady snores. She snores a little bit. I don't mean like a bad boy, guys. I mean, she just snores. But it's just loud enough to annoy you if you're trying to get back to sleep. Now, apparently, I snore like a bad boy. I snore really badly, apparently. So Mrs. C tells me. I don't believe her because I've never heard myself snore, guys. So, yeah, I don't think that's right. Yeah. So, yeah, I just woke up this morning feeling old. Then the pain starts to come back into my elbow and my knee. And then I get that craving for the cigarette because, you know, I do smoke a bit. So I've got a daily routine. First thing, have a cigarette, cough my lungs up, fire up the old Facebook and have a cup of coffee, guys. Here we are. Good morning, everybody. A grumpy Mr. C here this morning. Contemplating life, contemplating age, getting old. And I don't even want to look in that bloody mirror this morning. Okay, guys. Phase 2. Come downstairs. Find the light switch. And it's straight to the kettle. Let's see if Mrs. C's left water in there. Yeah, luckily enough, she's left water in there. Look at this, guys. A nice Ninja kettle. Coffee at 95 degrees. Check. Find my cup. Yeah, boss. Check. Sugar. Coffee. One big tablespoon full of sugar. Again, not healthy. One big tablespoon of coffee, which we do actually mix in with like a flavour. Check. See if we've got any milk. Yeah, we got milk. Long life milk. Check. There we go, we're getting there. Love this kettle. Everything we own now, electric wise in the kitchen, is Ninja. See how it sort of just creeps up to 95 degrees. Do like that. Anyway, I'm starting to wake up now. What's it like outside? Oh, still dark-ish. There we go. Come on, coffee. Yeah. I can't be bothered to wait. Let's have it at 93. So, Sunday morning. Time I've had this coffee and a couple more cigarettes, guys, I won't be too grumpy. Hope you guys are having a better day than me today. Okay, guys, coffee. Next part of my morning. Check Facebook. There we go. What's the first thing I see? Aurora Villegas. Happy birthday, hon. More birthdays to come. God bless you in always good health. I love you always and forever. Very nice post there, Aurora. Who's this? It must be the hubby. Right, let's give that a big love. Good morning, Aurora. Hey. Ant Middleton for Mayor of London. Yeah, maybe. Range Rovers, yeah. Nigel Farage. That idiot of a new Prime Minister, Andy Burnham. Oh, my. Farage. LJ El Rafa. Cats. Good morning, cats. Okay, not much going on there. British Scroat. Yeah, I don't know what the kids are coming to these days. Let's have a look at the UK-PINAY. Let's see what's cracking on in UK-PINAY land today. Alex Fidel. Oh, and I've just remembered. Good morning, Kenaya man. Good morning. Alex in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Good morning, Alex. He's a lovely fella. You can catch Alex Fidel on Facebook. What a nice guy. What a nice guy. So, good morning, Kanaya man. Canyon Man, the Canyon Man. Mrs. C does tell me how to say it properly, Alex, but I can never remember. But good morning, sir, in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. As promised, here's a big shout out from UK-PINAY, Stephen Ascension here in the UK. Ooh. Now I'm starting to wake up now. I'm going to have another cigarette. Might even treat myself to a shave. I'm looking around on my desk and I've got reminders. You guys have probably got the same. Post-it notes. I have them everywhere. So this one, I don't even know what it's supposed to mean. This one that's just sat there looking at me, that's got a price on it. Can you see that price, guys? That's how many pesos I've got to pay next Tuesday to Loreto Bamboo Craft, because Loreto have nearly finished our Kubo, guys. Our bespoke 22 foot by 8 foot by extra tall Kubo. Loreto have nearly finished it. Brother Morris has finished the concrete base. That's pretty much hard now to receive it. And Loreto are nearly finished. We'll have a look at some videos in a bit, guys. We'll see how they've been getting on this week. And bearing in mind it's rainy season in the Philippines, which I'm sure you guys already know that because most of you live over there. So things they're going a bit slowly. Yeah, we're nearly skint. Skint is a word we use in the UK, guys. Means we've got no money. I get paid monthly, and it's not what you Filipinos believe. What my family over there believe half the time, guys. To be honest, don't tell anybody. But we are not millionaires. I work for a living, the same as Ascension. So we're not that rich, guys. 2 Range Rovers on the drive, but that means 2 lots of insurance, 2 lots of fuel, 2 lots of road tax, 2 lots of repairs, 2 lots of insurance. Oh, and then we've got bills for the house. Then we've got bills for electricity and water and gas. And we've got other bills as well, guys. But don't tell anybody because we're not millionaires. I don't think Mrs. C understands that, but we're not. Shh. Anyway, we are skint. We're really skint. I was panicking yesterday. Do you know what? Shit, I'm just going to admit it. We've got to that point of the month where we've been buying things like Bajaj, tricycles for the family, sending money home, paying money out for the Kubo. The money is just coming into one hand and going out the other. And I was really depressed yesterday. Do you know, guys, I'm just going to be honest. I could not even afford to go out and for 4 little cans of beer. Couldn't even afford a beer. I ran out of cigarettes last night, guys. My packets of rolling tobacco, which is about 22 pounds for a packet here in the UK. I'll work that out in pesos in a minute, which normally lasts me about 4 days for 50 grams. I can't even afford to buy cigarettes, guys. I can't. We're absolutely skint. We're spending so much at the minute. Again, I don't think our Filipino family understand that. I'm not talking about Morris and Maricel. I'm talking about other people in the family that never really bother talking to us. But some of them, and I'm not mentioning any names, will be messaging. They need to borrow this, borrow that. It's not on, is it really, guys? They all think we're millionaires in the UK and we're not. But I was to the point yesterday, I couldn't even afford a packet of cigarettes or afford a beer. I didn't even have a single Stella yesterday, guys. And if you watch my videos, you know how much Stella I drink. Bloody hell. Now you understand why I was depressed. Anyway, feeling sorry for myself. Mrs. C came back in from work last night, about 8 o'clock, 20 past 8. She came up to the office, give me a kiss and a hug, because she always does, because she's my wife and she loves me. And then she reminded me, guys, we've got credit cards. We've got credit cards. I've never used my credit card. And I realised on it, I got £200 left. So things weren't that bad after all. At least I'll get cigarettes today. But I don't like getting into debt. Don't like to have debts, guys. Needs must. We spent so much. We have spent absolutely so much. We always seem to do that. And then we forget about ourselves. But anyway, let's get on with this coffee. Let's have another cigarette. And we'll get back to the Facebook bit. Okay, 5:45. My voice is getting faster. I'm waking up. The coffee is doing its trick. That's why you should have a big spoon of coffee every morning and loads of sugar. I'll be bouncing off the ceiling later. Let's get back to the Facebook again, guys. Let's see what we've got cracking on here. Notifications. See, Alex Vidal always comments on something. God bless him. Let's have a look. Grace McNamara started following you. Good morning, Grace. Francisco Costales, Rivas Vicky and 6 others started following us. So Grace McNamara, Rivas Vicky, Francisco Costales, Joy Marzan. Hey, good morning, Joy. Joy is one of the Marzan family. That's Ascension. Paniero, Chris from Malig, Princess Shakira Siabel, Malig, Romaldo Villanueva, Ate Weng Bueno, Roel Benuya Loreto, is something to do with that. Kubo, Jackie Walker. So, loads of followers, loads of new followers. Thank you, guys. Salamat po, guys, for following the UK-PINAY page on Facebook. Now, if you get time, you can go a step better, you know. Go to the YouTube channel, create a free account. Free, doesn't cost you anything. Subscribe to UK-PINAY. Let's have a look. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening in the YouTube world. We had 700 subscribers last time I looked. And we have now got, let's have a look, view your channel. Wow, 722 subscribers, guys. And we've got 457 videos on there. Wow, look at all this lot. Oh well. Oh, the birds are starting to sing. And the weather is not too bad this morning. The sun's coming up. There's our garden. There's a little jacuzzi down there. And that's our little outside table. The barbecue, the greenhouse. It's not a very big garden, but it's home. What was I talking about? Oh yeah. So, loads of videos. Head over to UK-PINAY, guys, on YouTube. And just subscribe, please. Create a free account. Create a free account. And it's not just to watch our videos. YouTube is brilliant. If you're doing anything, or you want advice on anything, or you want to see a review on anything that you're buying, just search for it on YouTube. You'll find it. You'll find videos how to do something, or what other people do, people's experience. YouTube is a brilliant thing, guys. And I know that the Filipinos don't really worry much about YouTube. It's more about Facebook. But YouTube's a good thing. Right, let's finish this coffee. Okay, so that's the coffee about finished. I've just had my second cigarette and I'm waking up. It's now 6 o'clock in the morning. Sounds like that little bit of lady snoring stopped next door. And I'm ready for the day. I might even have a shave this morning and a haircut. Next week's going to be very busy at work. because tomorrow morning I've got a 250-ton crane being delivered on tracks. It's going to take 3 days for another 100-ton crane to build the big crane up. And I'm going to have that crane at work with me for 3 years. I've just spent the last 3 months, 4 months even, digging out the ground around where we're working and putting a very thick concrete pad in there for this crane to sit on. So yeah, I've got loads of work guys. Better earn some more money because we've got big plans for the future. I'm not going to tell you what they are because all the family will start talking, but we've got big plans. Right, well that's it guys. It was a very short video this morning, and it's just about me getting old, waking up, being grumpy, all my aches and pains, going to the toilet at stupid o'clock in the morning, and just literally having a bloody good moan. I like to moan at the camera because, let's face it, nobody else is going to listen to me. Anyway, good morning everybody in YouTube land. Good morning everybody on Facebook. Thank you and hello to all our new followers on Facebook. Good morning from the UK guys. And good morning and hello to all our existing subscribers on YouTube and our new subscribers on YouTube as well. Good morning, Salamat, thank you. And again, big shout out, G'day man, Sir Alex Fidel, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, doing his thing. You just need to sort of find him on Facebook guys, give him a like. Follow him. He's a lovely man. Always makes comments on the channel. Good morning, Sir Alex. Right, that's me out of here, guys. Maybe we'll make another video later. I'm starting to come back to life.
Sabihin kong